Sweden is a Scandinavian country in Northern Europe, known for its rich history, extensive welfare system, innovation, and natural beauty. Sweden is the birthplace of Alfred Nobel, inventor of dynamite and founder of the Nobel Prizes. Swedes have a strong coffee culture and the social institution of fika, a break for coffee and a sweet bun. Despite its size, Sweden has the longest coastline of any country in Europe. The Swedish law Allemansrätten allows anyone to camp, hike, or pick berries anywhere in nature. Famous worldwide thanks to IKEA, Swedish meatballs are a national dish often served with lingonberries. Sweden is the third largest music exporter in the world, with artists like ABBA, Roxette, and Avicii. Sweden is known for its efficient recycling system and imports waste from other countries to generate energy. Sweden is the birthplace of globally recognized car brands Volvo and Saab. Midsummer's Eve, a celebration of the summer solstice, is one of the most important holidays in Sweden. From the late 8th to early 11th century, Sweden was home to Vikings. Swedes are among the tallest people in the world. Scandinavian countries in general often have populations with above-average heights. However, specific records of the tallest individuals from Sweden might not be as widely recognized or publicized as those from some other nations, such as the well-known tallest individuals from the USA or Turkey. Sweden has not been at war since 1814 and is known for its neutral political stance. Sweden ranks high in global innovation indexes, with companies like IKEA, Spotify, and Ericsson originating here. The world's first ice hotel was built in Jukkasjärvi, Sweden. Sweden is known for having one of the highest tax rates in the world. The Swedish concept of lagom is all about balance, moderation, and just the right amount. The character Pippi Longstocking, created by Swedish author Astrid Lindgren, is beloved worldwide. Sweden is known for its generous parental leave policies. Fathers are encouraged to take months of paternity leave. It is home to the Sami people and has a unique northern area, with the Northern Lights and the Ice Hotel. Sweden has two of the largest islands in Europe, Svealand and Gotland. The Stockholm archipelago is made up of around 30,000 islands, islets, and rocks. Sweden has a nearly 100% literacy rate. Sweden ranks high globally in life expectancy, with men living an average of 80 years and women 84 years. A popular candy in Sweden, Djungelvral, is known for its strong, salty licorice flavor. The town of Kiruna is being moved 3 kilometers to the east to prevent it from sinking into the iron ore mine it's built upon. Few of the most famous celebrity figures in Sweden is Greta Thunberg, environmental activist. She is one of the most famous teens from Sweden. Greta Thunberg is an environmental activist who is known globally for pushing world leaders to take action against climate change. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Football player Zlatan also served as the Swedish football team captain from 2010, a position he relinquished when he retired from international football in 2016. He is known globally as one of the most prolific strikers who was precise and full of stamina. During his active career, Zlatan won more than 33 trophies and is among the most celebrated footballers of all time. Ingrid Bergman, actress. Having her roots in Sweden, Ingrid was one of the most celebrated figures in the history of American cinema. She is one of the actresses to ever bag the most Oscar awards, tied with Meryl Streep. Avicii musician and DJ. He started online, showcasing his music skills, and soon gained the attention of many music lovers. Going by his stage name Avicii, he started making music at the age of 16. Lastly, Alfred Nobel chemist Alfred Nobel was a Swedish chemist, engineer, innovator, and armaments manufacturer. He invented dynamite and held 355 different patents. Alfred left a legacy to fund prizes for key sciences. The most notable one is the Nobel Peace Prize,